Hey Kipsters, I wish I could see all of your lovely faces right now as I record this video, but we're just going to jump straight into our work for today. Today we are going to write an argument to answer the question, what caused Galetown to have more severe rainstorms? So remember when we first learned about Galetown, it had pretty moderate weather, and then all of a sudden they started having these severe rainstorms. We are going to argue for all three claims. So we've looked at all three of these claims separately so far, but today we're going to put all of our ideas together. Claim 1, the lake that was built near Galetown caused it to have more severe rainstorms, the lake being extra surface water available. Claim 2, warmer weather caused Galetown to have more severe rainstorms, so an increase in temperatures. And claim 3, stronger winds cause Galetown to have more severe rainstorms, right? It can lift an air parcel up higher into the troposphere. So we're going to be looking at each one of these claims separately, and then we're going to put all of our ideas together in one solid, nice looking argument. Today you're definitely going to need a pencil and a piece of paper because we're going to actually be practice writing this out. So after you stop watching this video, go ahead and go grab a piece of paper and a pencil. Good luck!